What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we have a quick unboxing video, right? There are batteries inside this box, so that tells me there's probably a flashlight in here. There is one company that reached out to me and wanted me to check this flashlight out and obviously share it with you guys. And I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing reaction here, first experience with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the box here without further ado. Doing the honors today, we have the Kizer Invictus, right? This one's got 154 cm button lock with the black micarta going on, right? Really having a good time carrying this one. Large size EDC knife, right? Full purchase, right? Great, comfortable, awesome EDC knife. So this knife and also every product that you see in this video, including the flashlight in here, it's going to be linked down below in the description. So if you want to check out those products, of course, it helps out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. That being said, right, a little cut here, a little cut right there. And I'm not sure why they sent it to me in such a large box, right? Something tells me that the box inside is much shorter. But let's see, let's find out what's going on. And yeah, in typical Amazon fashion, you got this huge box with the nice tiny little box inside. So let's take a look here and see what we are working with. This is the Wuben X0 rechargeable mini flashlight with clip, 900 high lumens, small packet LED flashlight. So yes, Wuben reached out to me and they wanted me to check this one out here, share it with you guys, kind of do the whole experience. And of course, you know, I've been trying to get into flashlights as of recently. I did the unboxing on the BORUIT V10. And this one is a pretty potent one. And so far it's been doing pretty good, right? Got different modes on this one, right? Even has the crazy LEDs and whatnot. Check out the unboxing on this one if you haven't already. Definitely a great budget pickup. And so is this one. So we're going to go ahead and get into it here, see what this one's all about. We got turbo, high, medium, low, and moon. So yeah, let's go ahead and get in here, shall we? The Wuben XO, right? Wuben XO. And open this thing. Tell you, some of these packages, you know, you got to put in the password just to be able to get them open. But let's see. All right, here we got the flashlight itself. Man, this is the one tiny little guy, to say the least. That's the first impressions right there. I think obviously that's the idea, right? Also included in the box, we have a USB-C, which, you know, a lot of household these days, you know, we have a lot of USB-C everything, right? From phone chargers to laptop chargers to everything is USB-C. So there's a spare one included in case you don't already have one. Then we have the sort of the instructions here and warranty information in different languages. And last but not least, you have a good set of O-rings, right? Got some spare O-rings also included, right? Making it nice and tight. I believe this one should have hopefully some sort or some amount of water resistance, right? So we're gonna get into that. Of course, it says the flashlight is locked by default. Click the switch for 4 times to unlock it. All right, so let's do that here, shall we? First impressions though, before we turn it on, right? I love the aluminum build on this one. Right, good aluminum build all throughout, right? The only pull I'm feeling here is a little bit of magnetic, right? So it will go one way or the other. It looks like we have a blue little flipper right here for the charging. Oh, and that is magnetic. All right, check that out. And then we have a pocket clip, nice blue pocket clip as well. And this one is fixed in place. So Wuben does have other models that do turn, right? And they have multiple projections and things like that, right? The BORUIT has 2 different projections. This one has one main one. So we're about to do some comparisons here in just a moment. So yeah, let's get this thing unlocked. It says to press the switch 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I am getting a blinking light there in blue. Oh, check that one out. So 3 clicks. All right, 3 clicks turns it on. We have, I'm thinking this might be low. All right, also press and hold. All right, check that out. That went up a bit. Press and hold. That might be low. Press and hold. That got brighter. That might be medium. Press and hold. That might be high. Gets brighter and brighter. I like how the button is protected underneath this little flap right here. And then last one. Okay, we're back to moon. So there's moon, right? Barely any sort of light, if at all. We'll do a test with the lights off in a moment. There's low, medium, high, and low. And then one click off. All right. So very interesting how this, oh, check that out. Oh, there's that flashlight right there, that blinking mode right there. Check that out. All right, that's a strobe. This is 2 strobes, 3. Oh, this is like an SOS mode right here, right? SOS mode. All right, this is just strobe. All right, so you could actually activate it, there you go, with the little flipper itself right here, with this little flipper tab, right? I thought you actually had to open it to sort of activate the button, but again, I like to go into these unboxings blind, just so you guys can get my whole reaction going in, of course, making the mistakes you would make if you were learning about, you know, checking this thing out yourself for the first time. So it says it has an 1100 milliamp battery here, 4.07 WH, and this thing is so bright right now. I hit my face with it just a second ago, and now I got this one burn spot in my eyesight right now. 3.7 volts, and it kind of gives you the orientation of the battery here, how it goes. I bet you could probably open this one by turning this capsule section there. All right, let's check out some of the other modes. So we have, there we go, press and hold. That's the moon. That's the low, and again, I'm doing a press and hold. There's the medium and high. Oh, there's turbo. Ooh, that is one bright turbo, I'll tell you that. We hadn't seen turbo up until now, so we're back to moon. All right, low, medium, high, and double click for turbo. Man, one click off, right? Check it out. Again, I love the build construction on this thing, right? Very sort of futuristic design, right? You could stand it if you wanted to, right? Have some light shining at you standing up. You could probably, this part right here is magnetized, I'm sure. There we go. See, that is a nice magnetic butt right there. So that part is magnetic. No wonder it didn't want to, it didn't want to pull head to head on my other magnet, right? Because that is a magnet itself right there. And yeah, it included pocket clip, which is something the BORUIT doesn't have. So it does carry a little bit bulkier, if you would, right? It's a little bit thicker construction, but it's also a bit of a narrower construction too, right? So that's something to keep in mind right there. We got T6 screws, it looks like, on the pocket clip. Loving that blue and black contrast. Did I miss any modes? We got the strobe, SOS. Yeah, we did those. And then we did moon, low, medium, high, and turbo. Okay. All right. So that's pretty neat. I wonder if there was anything else. Strobe is 1,000 lumens. Turbo is 1,100 lumens. Moon is 1 lumen. Low is 15. Medium is 50. And high is 250. Oh, it is water resistant. There we go. That's what the O-ring is for. Water resistant, IP68, 2 meters underwater for 1 hour. And it does have a 1.5 meter impact resistance. So let's dim the light, shall we? Let's kind of do a quick test in the dark. Or I guess as dark as we can make it during the daytime anyway. So here we go. Let's do press and hold. All right, there's low. All right, check out the low right there. All right, we're gonna press and hold for, yeah, that went up a bit right there. That should be the low. Sorry, that first one was moon. This is low. All right, pretty good, right? Like that you have a very focused circle and then more of a soft light around it. All right, here's medium, right? That circle, focus circle gets a little bit bigger. There is high. Well, that is definitely a floodlight, almost. Right, I'm pulling it a little bit away from the table. Right, you can see if I stand it up. There it is in action, and then obviously you could really light up a good area with this thing. All right, and last but not least, yeah, there we go. We're back to moon. Double tap for turbo, and man, did it all of a sudden become daylight in here? This is one really bright turbo right there, 1100 milliamps. This thing should be pretty glow in the dark. So let's see if we can charge it up with this turbo mode here. All right, check that out, right? Definitely gave it quite a bit of glow in the dark, right? It is a powerful powerful turbo indeed. So again, moon, low, medium, high, and turbo. All right, let's try some of the other ones. There was a 1, 2, 3. I think it was a. All right, let's turn it off. 1, 2, 3. 2 clicks. There we go. 2 clicks is your strobe. Kind of looks like a disco in here. I don't want to give anybody epilepsy here. And 1, 2, there's SOS. That's S, O, and S right there, right? So those are the different modes on this guy. Quick click to turn off. All right, let's get the light back in here, shall we? Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Wuben XO, right? Those are the different modes that it has. I haven't looked at the prices yet, but by the time you're watching this video, I would have edited the video, and obviously I would have linked to these products down below. So if you're interested in checking the Wuben XO, there will be a link down below where you can pick it up. And also, if you want to check the unboxing, or perhaps also check out the BORUIT, there'll be a link for it below as well. All right, both very good budget EDC flashlights. And weight-wise, right, this one feels a little bit more, just a tad bit heavier. Actually, let's do a quick weight check since we're here. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna EDC the flashlight, try to gather as much feedback as I possibly can, and then come back to you with a comprehensive review. I'll tell you, so far, this whole flipper top right here, which is magnetic, by the way, I'm digging that quite a bit already. So I can see myself fidgeting with that right there. Obviously, I'm gonna get a feel for what it's like in the pocket, right? Does have the magnet. No additional LEDs of other colors, right, like you do on the BORUIT, right? Also no UV light. Right, this one had the green, the red, blue, right? Blinking red. But again, the build quality on this one is a little bit more, right? It definitely feels a little bit more premium. Got the aluminum construction everywhere. I love that blue and aluminum contrast on it, right? Definitely feels very good, very high end. And yeah, being my very first experience with Wuben, I mean, this one certainly is making a great first impression, to say the least. So weight on this thing, let's zero out. For reference, that BORUIT was 1.6, right? This one comes in at 3.0, right? 3 ounces total weight. So yeah, it definitely feels like you have a little bit more of a heavier tool. It has a little bit more premium feel to it as compared to, you know, the plastic on this one, even though there is a section of it which is aluminum, right? This one is full aluminum body right here. I kind of like the sort of the dial right here on the face for it. Wonder if you can loosen it up from here or not. Might do a disassemble later on in the review video if I need to. You can see the hardware here, right? T6, 2 of them right there. The 2 other ones are right here under the little flap. And you can probably take that top off completely to swap out the battery if you need to, but it is rechargeable. So you could just recharge it USB-C right there. So yeah, I'll get a feel for how long the battery lasts, right? What the carry experience is like and things like that, and come back with a comprehensive review on it here in the channel later on. But yeah, this has just been a quick unboxing and first experience, you guys. You know how it goes by now, right? I just unboxed the product here, kind of share with you my first experience, first impressions, and then I get to carry it for some time so I can give you a comprehensive review. So definitely check it out. It will be linked down below. Of course, it does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. And guys, let me know what you want to know about this flashlight. If you're considering this one, what other recommendations do you have? Let's hang out in the comments down there. Let's have a discussion down in the comments. All right, let's talk all about EDC gear, flashlights, knives, etc. If you haven't yet liked this video, this will be a great time to smash that like button. It will really make a huge difference. Helps this video reach a larger audience with the YouTube algorithm. If you're not yet subscribed, this will be a great time to subscribe. I promise you'll be worth coming back for. It'll be worth coming back for more. I make knife and EDC gear content like flashlights on a daily basis, so you will not be disappointed. So definitely appreciate you if you made it to the end. You are the real MVP. You can support the channel on Patreon or right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. That's been it, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this one, right? I'll put a card for the BORUIT flashlight unboxing right here so you guys can check that one next. Hope you guys take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, fam, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!